Hey Excel lovers. Have you ever used VLOOKUP, only to realize it always gives you the first value? But what if you need the last value instead? In today's video, I'll show you a super easy formula to get the last occurrence of a value in Excel. Let's dive in. Here's our data. We have a list of codes and fruits. If I use VLOOKUP to find 1001, it gives me apple, but I want the last value, which is Kiwi. So how do we solve this? Let's use a smarter formula. Type this formula. Equals index bracket column C and comma, then lookup bracket then 2, comma 1 divide, then column B, equal to this cell then bracket close then comma then row bracket column B close the bracket and hit enter. With this, when I enter 1001, I get Kiwi instead of apple. Now let's test it. If I enter 1002, I get grape.
If I enter 1003, I get mango.
No more struggling with VLOOKUP's first match issue. If you found this trick useful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Hat Excel trick you want next. See you in the next one.